Hello students, welcome to Plus 2 Economics YouTube channel. As all of you are aware, we are posting the videos related to second PUC Economics syllabus and those topics which are most frequently asked in the second PUC final examination. So here we are presenting to you the topic utility. And as all of you are aware, it is a part of the second chapter in microeconomics, which is part A of second PUC economics. It is very important for us to understand the in and out of utility and the approaches to measure utility and even the analysis of utility. If you understand these concepts that are presented in this video, I am very sure you will be able to answer questions worth 4 to 6 marks. Come, let's learn utility and related topics. Hello students, as discussed in the introduction of this video, let us focus on utility analysis and let us try to have deeper insights into this particular topic. Right, so let us start. First thing is, what is utility? This is one of the most commonly asked questions in the second PUC final examination in economics subject. So the answer for this is utility is the want satisfying capacity of a commodity. This is a very important definition and you can expect questions on this definition under MCQs or in the fill up the blanks main or one word or one sentence mains also. You can expect this question in various forms, but the answer remains the same. Utility is the want satisfying capacity of a commodity. So this is the first definition that we have to know under the concept of utility. Here is an example. Example is water quenches thirst. So quenching the thirst becomes the want. So what is actually helping us to satisfy this want? It is water. And what is water? Water is a commodity. So the want satisfying capacity of a commodity becomes utility. So this can be quoted as an example along with the answer that you write. So very important definition, define utility. Let's proceed ahead. Approaches to measure utility. See, there are two approaches using which we can measure utility. First one is the ordinal system. Second one is the cardinal system. These are the two approaches that are available. So what do we do in the ordinal system? In the ordinal system, we use the ranking method. So that's what we do. So when we use the ranking method, we rank the commodities based on the utility that we have obtained from them. And the ranks would be rank 1, rank 2, rank 3, etc. So this word ordinal comes from the word order, O-R-D-E-R. So here we are basically putting all the commodities in an order based on the utility that we have derived out of it. So that is ordinal system for us. What is cardinal system? In cardinal system, we express the utility that we have obtained from the commodities using cardinal numbers. Cardinal numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. So these are cardinal numbers. So we use the cardinal numbers to measure the utility that we have obtained. So the questions that you can expect here are: name the approaches or name the systems to measure utility. That can be a question. Distinguish between ordinal system and the cardinal system. That is another question that is asked for you. So when this question is asked, definitely you have to make columns like this. So you have the ordinal system, you have the cardinal system here. So we'll write in the ordinal system, we use the ranking method and it is 1, 2, 3. And this is how we rank the commodities. And in cardinal system, we use the cardinal numbers as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. And we measure the utility. Say for example, we have 3 commodities that we have consumed. Say 3 food items that we have consumed. Let's start with soup, then we had say a masala papad, then we had gobi manchuri. So we had 3 things. So according to this, say maybe gobi manchuri was rank 1, soup is rank 2 because we got the second best utility from soup, and masala papad is rank 3. The same thing, if we have to measure in the cardinal system, we can do like this. Maybe we got 9 out of 10 units of utility from gobi manchuri. Maybe we have got 7 out of 10 in soup, and maybe we have got 4 out of 10 from the masala papad. So here we are using the ranking system Here we are using the cardinal numbers. That's the difference between ordinal system and the cardinal system. Again, a very important slide. You can expect 2 to 4 mark questions from this slide as well. Let's proceed ahead. Utility analysis. This is again very important. This can again be a 4 mark question or a 5 mark question for us. So it is very important for us to understand the various heads that come under utility analysis. To begin with, it is total utility. So utility obtained by consuming n number of units of a commodity becomes total utility. See, when we consume the first unit, we might get U1 units of utility. When we consume the second unit, we might get U2 units. When we consume the third unit, we might get U3. So we are adding up all this, and at the end we arrive at the total utility. So here is an exercise for you. Here is a small table. Let us try to work it out. Say for example, when the first unit is consumed, 10 units is obtained, 10 units of utility. When the second unit is consumed, maybe 8 units of utility is obtained. When the third unit is consumed, maybe 6 units of utility is obtained. So when we add up all this, what happens? 10 plus 8 is 18, 18 plus 6 is 24. So the total utility obtained is 24. This is one way of writing it. But generally, we write it using the cumulative method. So how is that? When we consume the first unit, it is 10 units of utility. When we consume the second unit, we have got 8. So what we do is we add up and write. So 10 plus 8 becomes 18 units. The total utility is 18. In the third one, we have got 6. So 18 plus 6 we add up and write. So it becomes 24. So this is how we write it. This is the cumulative method of writing. So total utility is equal to 10 with the first unit, 18 with the second unit, and 24 with the third unit. So this is total utility for us. There is a formula for this. What is it? PU is equal to sigma mu. This is a formula that you have to remember. This is one way of putting across utility. U1 plus U2 plus U3 etc. up to UN. That is also fine. You can write it as TUN here. So it becomes total utility after consuming n units of the given commodity. Or the other formula is TU is equal to sigma mu. Let's proceed to the next slide. So in the next slide, we have average utility. So how do we measure the average utility, or what is the definition for it? Per unit utility gained is average utility. So what are we doing here? We are taking the average. This definition becomes very important. This is generally asked for 1 mark. You have to simply memorize it. What is the formula to calculate AU? AU is equal to TU divided by N. TU stands for total utility. N stands for the number of units that we have consumed. So 10 divided by 1 is 10. 18 divided by 2 is 9. 24 divided by 3 is 8. So this is how average utility is calculated. So two things to remember. One is the definition. Second is the formula. Anyway, we will take up a complete problem where we will solve TU, AU, MU, everything. So as of now, understand this. Through this exercise, we are able to understand the calculation of AU. Let's proceed ahead. The last slide of this video is talking about the marginal utility. Again, definition becomes very important. This is again asked for 1 mark. So how do we define marginal utility? The total utility gained by consuming 1 additional unit becomes marginal utility. Very important question, very regularly asked in the examination. What's the formula for this? Formula is TUN minus TUN minus 1. This is the formula. So mu is equal to TUN minus TUN minus 1. So let us write the number of units: 1, 2, 3 and 4 units. So let us say first unit we got 10, then it went up to 18, then it became 24, then it became 28. So the formula is, like I told you earlier, TUN minus TUN minus 1. So 10 minus nothing is there. 10 minus 0 becomes 10. 18 minus 10 becomes 8. 24 minus 18 becomes 6. 28 minus 24 becomes 4. So this is how the marginal utility is calculated. Again, I'll repeat. 10 minus 0 becomes 10. 18 minus 10 is 8. 24 minus 18 is 6. 28 minus 24 is 4. This is how we calculate mu. Remember the formula, remember the definition. As I told you earlier, we will take up one full problem where we calculate all the three, that is TU, AU and mu, maybe in the following video, and we'll try to solve one full exercise. And this kind of full exercise is asked in part E for $5. I hope you have understood the definition of utility, then you understood the different approaches to measure utility and the utility analysis. If you have liked the video, please do hit the like button. If you are yet to subscribe to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel for all the updates related to the +2 economics. And if you have any doubts, if you have any questions, you can leave it in the comment section. We shall get back to you with the answers. We wish you all the very best for your preparation. Good luck.